cover over 1 million square foot of buildings, and we maintain about 236 acres of land. We have 9 maintenance guys. One of them is a mail and delivery guy, and the other 8 are actually rich, do maintenance stuff. We have roughly 42 custodians covering 1 million square foot of building. Each elementary has one site manager, head custodian that works in a day. His or her job is primarily taking care of day-to-day issues while school's in session, cutting grass, and performing preventative maintenance that I assign to them. Then there's the evening shift custodians who primarily clean the building, and they do some light maintenance, like change of bulbs in classrooms if they're burned out, or anything the site manager may pass on to them. We have two football fields that is turf, which does require maintenance on those things. We maintain those, and we have a baseball field, a softball field, 2 softball fields, and 6 practice fields we maintain just on this high school campus. Actually, we probably do at least 90% work in-house now. We have some talented maintenance crew here that is able to work on HVAC. We rarely use outside contractors, which saves the district a lot of money. It's actually our busy time. We take care of those repairs that we cannot do during the school day, such as if there is a 3-inch pipe leak up in the ceiling, we'll do something to slow up the leak or temporarily stop it. But when school's down, we have to drain the system and actually perform the pipe repair. We have a lot of preventative maintenance on equipment that requires the equipment to be shut down that you normally can't do during the school day. It's major PM work. That keeps us very, very busy. If you don't perform preventative maintenance, you will be putting fires out constantly with equipment failing. With a good PM system, you should prevent a lot of those fires. Not all of them, but a lot of them. The staff here I'm extremely proud of. It's unbelievable how much money we are saving now because of the work we do in-house. And the importance that I put on PM, and they understand the importance of the PM, all the way down to the site managers in the building. And we see the drop in emergency repairs doing this preventative maintenance. And emergency repairs cost way more money than doing simple PM. So it's a large money-saving program. We're converting our buildings from LEDs, or to LEDs from incandescent and fluorescent bulbs. So with that brings a lot of savings to the district. And we are doing that in-house. A lot of districts will go out and hire somebody to come in and do that work, but we're picking at it ourselves, and we're getting it done in-house on top of maintaining these buildings. So we're also doing proactive work to save the district money. Seeing the accomplishments that the building services do each day and the maintenance department each day to keep everybody happy, the staff, the students, and the community. To see everybody work so hard to do that. That's what's rewarding to me. To see the diversity that they have, the ability that they have, jumping from one type of work to another type of work, going from something as simple as cutting grass and then repairing a lock in a door to taking care of valves on an air handler to repairing 220 480 volt power. I mean, to jump around to repairing a truck or a tractor. I mean, they're all over the place with the work they do. We're everywhere. We're behind the scenes, and we're doing everything we can to